Except the Lord keep the house, the watchman waketh in vain. Except the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that build it. It is vain to rise early and to sit up late. It is vain to carry heavy labor and eat the bread of sorrow. O Lord, give quietness. O Lord, give rest. He giveth his beloved sleep. He giveth sleep. He giveth peace. Thy hand is over us through the night in calmness we rest. He giveth his beloved sleep. He giveth peace.